Hey guys, here I'm doing a sort of a sun path and a shadow analysis for Park Edge development. So this is for the BTO February 2010. So this is to give me a better idea on which unit to choose, and so as which unit gets a lot of sun and then yeah, I probably won't choose those. So this is I just oriented you guys. So this is the whole Park Edge development. So it comes with 226A, 226B, 227A, B, and C. So B and C are the ones sort of facing one side facing the park, and they have a 7-story car park over here at the bottom. So I did a rough model doing up with the massing. So this all shows the massing. I'm just going to show on plan the sun path throughout the day. So first will be in January. January the sun comes along the south side. So this is like at 7 a.m., 8, 10, 12, 1, 3, 5, and 7, and the sun sets. So this sort of tells you how the sun angle goes. And I'm going to try it again for June. So in June, it's a bit different as on June and July. In July, it's a bit different as the sun comes from the north this side. So we're going to start again. Here, 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, and then it ends again. Yep. So now we're going to move on to from the north. What we're going to see in the north. So this is the north sort of view. Maris Stella School is on the left. Okay, the park is on the right. So we're going to test again. So same thing. First we start in January. Okay, in January, sun rises 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, and 7. So that's from the north. So all these basically the massing models. The models are based on the rough volumes from HDB given plans, and I've modeled them to the correct heights and each unit. So from here you can actually tell like the divisions are all at are based on the floor-to-floor height of 2.8 meters. So by zooming in, like pausing the video and zooming in, you'll be able to tell which unit that face is actually in, that facet actually belongs to. So you just look at the plans and then compare it to them. Now we're going to look at it from the west side. So from the west, this is where the sun sets. Okay, so we're going to start again from January in the morning. So rises comes from the other side. 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, and sets. So then we're going to do it in June, July. Okay, so starting again in July, we go another direction. 7, 9, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, and sets. So especially during the last part, you can tell which units actually get the sun, and then comparing the different models, you'll be able to tell like whether you want that unit or not. So now we're moving on to the south. So this is south facing facades. We're going to start again at January. Okay, 7, 9, 11, 1, 3, 5, and 7 again. Yep. Then I'll move on to July. So 7, 9, 11, 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, now lastly we'll move on to east. So for the east, the left is the Columbarium area. On top will be the park. At the bottom will be Maristella School, and on the right side is I think there's another development, the newer one. The older development. Sorry. Yep. So same thing. We'll start at January 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, and 7. And then in June, July, same thing. Start at 7, 9, 11, 12, 2, 4, 6, and 7. Yep. So that's a little analysis on shadow and sun path.